Birds are the most distinct and more specialized group of vertebrates. These heterogeneous animals belongs to the class Aves. They have several distinctive characteristics. Some of these characteristics might be common with the other animals, but the other characteristics are found only in birds. General characteristic of the birds. The body of the birds are covered with feathers. Birds have horny beaks and scaly feet. Birds are endothermic vertebrates. They are oviparous, which means they lay eggs to develop their young ones. Birds are the species in the animal kingdom that walk on two legs. They are bipedal. Like humans, birds have four-chambered hearts. The shape of the body is streamlined, which helps them to fly high in the sky. Birds have a very strong vision. Depending on the species, the birds can be said to be carnivores or herbivores creature. Based on the ability to fly, birds are categorized into carnivores and ratites. Birds that have the ability to fly are called as carnivores, and birds that cannot fly are called as ratites. Molting. At the end of each nesting season, birds undergo a process called as molting. In this process, birds will lose their old feathers and regrow the new ones. Migration. Birds have a peculiar habit called migrating. They migrate from one place to another for breeding. Before winter sets in, the birds from the southern hemispheres migrate to the northern hemispheres. After the season sets out, the birds again migrate to their original places. High metabolic rates. Birds have a high metabolic activities than any other animals in the world. So they need to consume large quantities of food each day. Some birds will consume food that is equal to their body weight each day.